Off the southeastern coast of Africa, floating in the vast expanse of the Indian Ocean, lies the enchanting island of Madagascar. This island country, the fourth largest in the world, is like its own little universe, teeming with life and wonder. Millions of years of isolation have turned Madagascar into a sanctuary of extraordinary plants and animals, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. Its rich culture is equally captivating, shaped by centuries of history and tradition. Madagascar is a place where time seems to move differently, a haven for unique creatures and ancient customs. The island's biodiversity is a testament to its long-standing seclusion, offering a glimpse into a world that has evolved in splendid isolation. The island's story is etched into its breathtaking landscapes. From the dense verdant rainforests that pulse with life to the arid sun-baked deserts that stretch into the horizon, towering mountains reach for the sky, while pristine beaches meet the crystal-clear waters of the Indian Ocean, creating a stunning contrast that is a feast for the eyes. Everywhere you look in Madagascar, there are wonders to behold, each telling a story of a land that seems lost in time, yet found again as a treasure trove of natural beauty and cultural richness. Madagascar's allure isn't just in its stunning nature, but also in its people. The Malagasy people, with their warm smiles and vibrant culture, are the heart and soul of the island. The Malagasy people, with their friendly smiles and rich cultural heritage, welcome visitors with open arms, eager to share their traditions, beliefs, and way of life. Music and dance are integral to their lives, reflecting a deep connection to the land and their ancestors. These vibrant expressions of culture are a testament to the island's enduring spirit. A journey to Madagascar is a journey into the heart of a nation that cherishes its past while embracing the future. It's a place where ancient traditions and modern aspirations coexist harmoniously. This is a land that calls to explorers, adventurers, and dreamers alike. Whether you're trekking through its wild landscapes or engaging in thrilling adventure activities, Madagascar offers endless opportunities for discovery. Join us as we uncover the secrets of Madagascar, a distant island where the extraordinary is simply part of everyday life. From its unique wildlife to its rich cultural tapestry, Madagascar is a place like no other, waiting to be explored. Madagascar is like a real-life science lab of evolution, a place where nature has been experimenting for millions of years. It's a home to amazing plants and animals you can't find anywhere else on Earth. The island's isolation has allowed species to evolve in unique ways, creating a biodiversity hotspot. Over 90% of its wildlife is unique to the island, making it a really important place for biodiversity. This means that many of the species here are found nowhere else on the planet, making conservation efforts crucial. Because the island is so isolated, animals and plants have developed in special ways, creating a dazzling display of life in all its forms. From the towering baobab trees to the tiniest insects, every corner of Madagascar is teeming with life. Perhaps the most famous residents of Madagascar are the lemurs, a type of primate only found on this island. These fascinating creatures have adapted to a variety of habitats, from rainforests to dry deciduous forests. From the tiny mouse lemurs, which are among the smallest primates in the world, to the big indri, the largest of all lemurs, these primates are fascinating with their interesting calls and amazing climbing skills. The indri, with its haunting calls, can be heard echoing through the forests, while the mouse lemur's nocturnal activities are a sight to behold. Each species of lemur has its own unique behaviors and adaptations. These primates are not just interesting to watch, they play a crucial role in the ecosystem, helping to disperse seeds and maintain the health of the forests. Seeing them in the forests reminds us of the island's evolutionary wonders, but the lemurs are just the start. Madagascar is also a chameleon's dream, with over half of the world's chameleon species. These masters of disguise blend perfectly into their surroundings, their eyes moving separately to look for food. From bright greens to earthy browns, chameleons add a splash of color to the already colorful landscape. Their ability to change color is not just for camouflage, but also for communication and temperature regulation. The waters around the island are just as full of life, home to colorful fish, playful dolphins, and majestic whales. Coral reefs surround the coast, creating homes for all sorts of sea creatures. These underwater ecosystems are vital for the health of the ocean and provide a stunning display of marine biodiversity. From the smallest coral polyps to the largest whales, the marine life here is incredibly diverse. From bright greens to earthy browns, chameleons add a splash of color to the already colorful landscape. Their ability to change color is not just for camouflage, but also for communication and temperature regulation. The waters around the island are just as full of life, home to colorful fish, playful dolphins, and majestic whales. Coral reefs surround the coast, creating homes for all sorts of sea creatures. Coral reefs surround the coast, creating homes for all sorts of sea creatures. These underwater ecosystems are vital for the health of the ocean and provide a stunning display of marine biodiversity. From the smallest insects to the biggest mammals, Madagascar's wildlife shows us how creative nature can be. Each species, no matter how big or small, plays a role in the delicate balance of this unique ecosystem. Madagascar's landscapes are as varied as its wildlife, like a beautiful tapestry woven with emerald green, sapphire blue, and sunny gold. Tall mountains lead to rolling hills, covered in lush rainforests filled with the sounds of life. Rivers wind through the land, flowing towards the sparkling Indian Ocean, where beautiful beaches invite you to relax and explore. One of the most amazing sights in Madagascar is the Tsingy de Bemaraha, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This strange and wonderful landscape is full of tall limestone needles, shaped over centuries by erosion. The Tsingy is a maze of canyons, caves, and peaks, a real example of the power of nature. But Madagascar's beauty isn't just in its rugged interior. Along the coast, white sandy beaches stretch out, lined with palm trees and touched by clear blue water. The island's lagoons and coral reefs give you a peek into an underwater world full of colorful sea life. Whether you're exploring the rainforest, hiking through the Tsingy, or just chilling on a beach, Madagascar offers a treat for all your senses. It's a place where you can reconnect with nature, breathe in the fresh air, and get lost in the beauty around you. Madagascar being so isolated hasn't just shaped its unique wildlife, it's also created a delicate and connected ecosystem. The island's plants and animals have grown and changed together for thousands of years, forming complicated relationships that are important for their survival. This careful balance is what makes Madagascar so special, but also so fragile. The rainforests, for example, are home to a complex web of life. Lemurs are important for spreading seeds, helping the forest grow. Insects pollinate flowers, while birds and reptiles keep pest numbers down. Every creature, from the smallest ant to the biggest baobab tree, is important for keeping the ecosystem healthy. But this careful balance is in danger. Deforestation, habitat loss, and climate change are all harming Madagascar's unique ecosystem. As forests are cut down for farming and wood, the delicate web of life is broken, putting many species at risk. The challenges facing Madagascar's environment are big, but there is hope. Conservation work is happening to protect the island's biodiversity and make sure it's there for future generations. Local communities are working together to look after their natural resources, while national parks and reserves offer safe places for endangered species. While Madagascar's wildlife and landscapes are definitely captivating, it's the island's people, the Malagasy, who really make this amazing place come alive. The island is a melting pot of cultures, with influences from Africa, Asia, and Europe, all blending together to create a unique and vibrant society. The Malagasy people are known for their hospitality and their ability to make visitors feel at home, no matter where they come from. With their warm smiles, contagious laughter, and deep connection to their heritage, the Malagasy people are the heart and soul of Madagascar. Their sense of community is strong, and they often come together to celebrate, support one another, and share in the joys and challenges of life. This sense of togetherness is a cornerstone of Malagasy culture. Their culture is a mix of ancient traditions, different customs, and a deep respect for nature. Traditional ceremonies often involve elaborate rituals that honor the ancestors and the natural world. These practices are not just about preserving the past, they are a living part of daily life, influencing everything from farming practices to social interactions. The Malagasy people are not all the same. They come from 18 different ethnic groups, each with their own special customs and traditions. This diversity is celebrated and respected, with each group contributing its own unique elements to the broader Malagasy culture. From language to clothing to cuisine, the variety is both fascinating and enriching. From the coastal Vezo people, known for their fishing skills, to the highland Merina people, famous for their intricate weaving, each group adds to the vibrant cultural mix of Madagascar. The Vezo's deep connection to the sea is evident in their daily lives, while the Merina's expertise in agriculture and craftsmanship showcases their adaptability and ingenuity. Music and dance are really important in Malagasy culture, used to celebrate special events, honor ancestors, and simply express the joys and sorrows of life. These art forms are passed down through generations, with each performance telling a story that connects the present to the past. The rhythms and melodies are as diverse as the people themselves, reflecting the island's rich cultural tapestry. The valiha, a bamboo instrument, makes beautiful melodies that seem to capture the island's spirit. Its sound is both haunting and uplifting, a perfect representation of the Malagasy people's resilience and joy. The instrument is often played during important ceremonies and gatherings, adding a unique musical flavor to the events. Traditional dances, often performed in colorful costumes, tell stories of love, loss, and the everyday lives of the Malagasy people. These dances are more than just entertainment. They are a way of preserving history and teaching younger generations about their heritage. Each movement and gesture has meaning, creating a rich visual narrative that is both captivating and educational. Even with the challenges they face, the Malagasy people keep a strong connection to their land and their ancestors. This connection is evident in their agricultural practices, which are often guided by traditional knowledge and respect for the environment. Ancestral rituals play a significant role in maintaining this bond, ensuring that the wisdom of the past continues to guide the present. Their traditions and beliefs are passed down through families, making sure that the cultural heritage of Madagascar stays strong and alive. Elders play a crucial role in this process, acting as the keepers of knowledge and the teachers of the young. Through stories, songs, and hands-on learning, they ensure that the rich tapestry of Malagasy culture is woven into the fabric of each new generation. To visit Madagascar is to be welcomed into this rich culture, to experience the warmth and kindness of the Malagasy people for yourself. Whether you're exploring bustling markets, participating in a traditional ceremony, or simply sharing a meal with a local family, you'll find that the Malagasy people's hospitality is second to none. It's an experience that leaves a lasting impression, making you feel like a part of this incredible island community. Did Madagascar surprise you with its hidden gems? If you loved this journey, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to GlobeBit for more travel stories, and share your favorite part of Madagascar in the comments below. Join us on our next adventure. Until then, keep exploring the world with us.